Welcome to 56 Monserrat in the beautiful hillside community of Foothill Ranch. Foothill Ranch is a great place to live. 56 Monserrat is a 5-bedroom home with a downstairs bedroom and bath, a full bath. The downstairs bedroom is currently an office that can easily be converted. It's on a prime cul-de-sac street with a 3-car garage, about 2,900 square feet for $1,078,800. Let's go inside. Welcome. As you enter the double door entry, you can go into the office here, which is also the 5th bedroom, the full bath in the laundry room. But now we're stepping into the great living room, the formal living room and dining room. You notice automatically the 2-story ceilings, high volume ceilings, spiral staircase. This is a beautiful room to entertain in. Let's look at the family room. Here we are in the spacious family room with a wood-burning fireplace with a nice marble surround. You've got double doors that go outside to the backyard, which is convenient. Next to the family room, we have a nice large breakfast nook area for your casual dining, which is nice. You have a wet bar, which is with extra cabinetry. The seller added all the wood cabinetry and has a lot of nice pull-out drawers. And I love this granite countertop. This is the leather finish. You can feel the grains in it. Really gorgeous. Stainless steel appliances, a double oven. Let's go take a look upstairs. You're just gonna love this master bedroom. It's a double-sized master bedroom. This is actually a retreat here. And then you have the master bedroom area, high ceilings, crown molding, upgraded baseboards, custom lighting. And so from this huge master bedroom suite, we go into the gorgeous master bath. You're gonna love this. The seller remodeled the whole bathroom. You have a custom tub here with like 100 bubbles that come up. This is actually a steam shower. So it's an enclosed steam shower, which is great, opens up your pores. You have a double vanity here. And then also we have a dual walk-in closet. All custom wood upgrades, built-ins, custom wood flooring. Let's go look at the other bedrooms. So here we are on top of the landing. From here you go to the secondary bedrooms, 3 secondary bedrooms. The bedrooms are all large, high ceilings, and the secondary bathroom with the upgraded vanity and the linen area here. The house also features a whole house fan, which will save you a lot of money in electricity for air conditioning. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. Now that you've seen the bedrooms, let's go look at the backyard. So here we are in the nice quiet backyard. They might even keep this swing for you. So back here, you have your privacy. You'll notice that the property backs up to a lush slope, which is maintained by the association. The association fees are only $84 a month. Foothill Ranch, this area has no Melrose. Now from here, we get to go look at the spa. So not only do you have a nice patio area here for al fresco dining, you put a nice table here, sit 8 people, come out here enjoying barbecues and little cocktails over a nice holiday. And then you can retreat here to your own spa. So here we have a spa, fits about 8 people. And then next to the spa, we also have a grass area in case you have any animals. So I hope you love 56 Monserrat. If you like it, call your agent. This house is gonna sell fast. Again, it's $1,078,800. Take care, be safe.